In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. First of all, go into settings and scroll a tiny bit to click display and brightness. Now scroll again, this time to use this switcher next to auto rotate. Thanks to it, you can switch it on or turn it off. Quick tip, if you want to manage auto rotation much faster, you can do that by going into tab menu. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Look for auto rotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. When it's white, that means that auto rotation is on. To switch it off, tap on it again until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!